Why you barking? You mean you can't go nowhere? What the hell?
Sliss, this is what I call the same thing happens every night.
Good Lord.
Oh, there's people right across there. Okay.
Even she's telling her to be quiet. Good Lord. All that little body and all that mouth. Just shush. Push it. Quiet. Enough.
Richard Carson on the surface was a model husband and father, but Jake's investigation revealed another side to him. Richard had indeed been unfaithful, and his affair with Carla Mason was more
In the mud. And now you up here on my white pillow. Let me see them things. Oh. Okay. Alright.
Say's got a new toy. Hey, Sadie. Ma'am. And this one over here won't leave my toes alone.
She said they almost taste as good as them wings I stole from my
Yeah, so y'all, telling y'all that Pooga stole a chicken wing from Celeste. Celeste had to go to buy the restroom, and then I looked over and Pooga was just munching down on a chicken wing, and I said, "Where'd you get that?" Well, she did. See, she still got one more in there.
And she's been begging for it.
Yep, she begging for it.
No. Not listening. Headlock.
Anyway,
This is WWF Wrestling. It's Sunday night.
so 1 minute.
Ah, that's my cheek. I'm gonna get your cheek.
Oh, okay, and we're back. So let's get started with this wonderful reading from Neo Tarot.
Bam.
Say.
Here we go. Ready?
And this is something that Neo has done before.
There they all go,
Booty
following Celeste.
to keep